What's up, LinkedIn? My name's Luke Weschelberger, and I'm bringing you guys a special message today. I'm here to share with you a little bit about an opportunity that I've come across and actually had some great success with. It's called Amazon FBA. This is Fulfillment by Amazon. It's where me as a third-party seller can go sell physical products that I've imported from China into Amazon warehouses. None of this stuff gets stuck at my house. It's all directly imported into Amazon. And I'm leveraging Amazon's traffic that they get, millions of viewers every month on their website, and I'm actually getting a ton of sales because of this. After doing something like ranking my product to the first page, I'm able to get organic sales traffic to my product and make immense amounts of money. Now, what I'm trying to bring you guys in this video is an opportunity. After all my experiences, I've actually developed a 6-hour-long, 65-video step-by-step Amazon FBA Seller Pro course. Now, for you guys that are interested in doing something a little outside of your realm in the more entrepreneurship niche, outside of that 9-to-5 grind, you guys can look into this and get started for literally under $3,000, which is probably less than 1 week's pay for most of you guys on LinkedIn. Now, what I'm gonna go ahead and say for you guys is the course is gonna be laid out in 6 separate modules. You can check the link below in this video description to see more in depth about what the course has to offer, but it's in 6 separate modules, and the first module is gonna be everything about how to set up your Amazon FBA business, your Seller Central account, product liability insurance and an LLC, and other things that go along with setting up your business. But before I tell you guys, you don't even need to set up any of that insurance or an LLC. It's wise to do, but you don't need any of that to start selling on Amazon. You can just start it up as a sole proprietor and it's no big deal. And the next module is going to be about product research. This is the most crucial part to the business. This is where you're going to go ahead and find a product category or a niche of a product that you can go ahead and leverage because it's pretty much untapped in the US marketplace. What you're gonna look for on Jungle Scout is the only tool you need. It's a one-time payment of like 97 bucks, and you're able to see all of the sales data and the review data, which is gonna show you the demand and the competition for a particular product on the first page on Amazon. So if you type in phone case, Jungle Scout's gonna show you thousands of sales for everyone on the first page and probably thousands of reviews. We don't want to get into a marketplace with thousands of reviews. We're looking more for products that have under 100 reviews and still in the hundreds to near thousands of sales a month on that first page. And then that's a prime opportunity. After that, we're going to go ahead into the third module, which we're going to go and talk to our suppliers over at Alibaba.com. We're going to go talk to them in China and use some other strategies that I'll show you on how to pick the best product and kind of tweak what's already selling on Amazon so you can bring something new to the marketplace and bring a better value than everyone else so people are inclined to buy your product. After that, the course talks about making your listing perfected, title, images, bullet points, and your description, everything 100% done with SEO and just making your product rank as high as you can. Then after you do the best you possibly can with your listing, I share with you guys how to go ahead and launch your product and then actually build a brand around it with an Instagram account, a Facebook page, even YouTube videos, reaching out to influencers that are already doing reviews on similar products. You can talk to them and get your product immediately in front of millions of people or thousands of people that are inclined to buy your product. So the course is really kind of a low price thing when you think about it. I have a 25% off discount on my course. So instead of it being 397 bucks, it's 297. And when you think about how expensive college textbooks are these days, about 300 bucks, you're basically investing in a full-on course, a mentor, me, who's gonna be there every step of the way to help you guys. I can literally even get your phone number and call you guys, but this is what I'm talking about, guys. This online FBA business, Nordstrom, Macy's, Best Buy, all these big stores are shutting down. They're all going online. If you guys can keep up with the tide and keep up with the fast pace of technology and what's happening in this world and start an e-commerce business or something like that, like Amazon FBA, and get ahead of the game, you're gonna be able to leverage this knowledge that you learn in Amazon in probably any other business that you're working with online, guys. It's kind of like when I was taking journalism back in college. They wanted me to be a multifaceted person who could do the video recording, the editing, the interviewing. I needed to be sharing all the videos. This is what it takes to be successful in this day and age. You have to be good at literally everything. So this is what the course is teaching you guys: how to market, how to make sales, how to build content, and create the great sales page. So if you guys are interested, please go check the link below. I will be uploading some more frequent videos to LinkedIn and you guys, my other audience. My big audience is over on YouTube, but I'm trying to reach out to you guys because I know you guys are interested in making that money, and I hope to see you guys in the course. So that 25% discount will be good through May 21st. If not, you can maybe shoot me a message and I might be able to help you guys out if you're watching this after May 21st. So thanks a lot, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.